Hello, good morning. We are here in Santorini. I hope you enjoy our videos. I am so short of breath. Don't go here. It's the doo-doo path. Go another place. Worst part, one of the worst parts at Santorini, doo-doo path.
Check out the beach over there?
Mm-hmm.
Then we go home.
It's green. Wait, let's take a maybe.
You saw the panty in the floor?
What panty? Panty? Is that my panty? Nice view. What beach is this, Baba?
I don't know.
Look at the water. It's green. See, green. We're in some random beach. We don't know what it's called. This man right here is the culprit. It's a small beach in Santorini. You had to go to through the doo-doo path that we showed you. Yep.
More doo-doo.
Yep. Oh. Is there another way? Oh. Yo, you're still here? What's up, man? You still here? Bye-bye.
Hello.
Okay, this is pie. And this is white eggplant as our starters.
I don't know how white this is.
And this is in Anemomilos. Alright, you hear the crunchiness. So crunchy. Wow. Alright. It's nice and hot. This one gives me a bit of different thoughts about eating. Like, I feel like I'm eating really bad food, but once I see the vegetables, I feel a little healthier. Alright, so this is the lamb chops, grilled with potatoes from Santorini. And then this is my husband's order. I have no idea what this is. What is this, Opa Jeff? Oh, this is the pilaf. So it's a cooked rice sauteed with kawarma smoked meat from trace pistachios from Aegina Island. Interesting. I just read that from the menu. Wow. This is really good. They use like pistachio. It's so blurry. They use pistachio to with the meat. It goes really well together. The lamb chop here is finely cut. Nice and crunchy. Wow, that's really good lamb. And let's try the potato. The potato has like a hint of like some sort of wine, right? It's really good. And lamb chop is really good here. Cheers, Opa. Cheers, Opa. Last night in Santorini. That was Santorini wine that they grew from the backyard.